Do you know that in Illustrator, when we are actively selecting the brush tool and using the brush tool to do some artwork or working on a project by selecting the brush tool, then we can select the color picker tool in the midst of selecting the brush tool. So to show you, first of all, let's click or select the brush tool. And let's say I want a background similar to the color of the sofa. So in order to take the color sample from the sofa, all I can do is hold down the Option key and then press or left key or press the left key on the mouse to take a sample of the color that I want. I want the color of the background to be something like the dark green here. So I'll sample this, and now you can see our brush has picked up that color. And you can also see on the bottom left of the fill color or the foreground color also has picked the color green. And now I can color that similar color as a background like so. Maybe we can also mix the color of the background with a different color. So to take a different color, the beaver who is sleeping here on the sofa, all we can do is click and hold on the Option key and left click and then pick a sample of colors from the beaver, and then we can now brush it around the background to add a brown color as well to the background. So this is how we can access the color picker tool in the midst of selecting the brush tool or working with the brush tool in Affinity. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button, and for more tips and tricks related to Affinity, press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.